This is how to start creating content on Canva for free. Yeah, I'm using a free account for this tutorial. So you come here, please follow it step by step. Right now I have started using my, you come here, right, this place, and you search. Okay, for this now I've searched YouTube thumbnail. Look at it, YouTube thumbnail. So I'll just hit the search button. Search button is on my keyboard. Okay, let me see if I can show it here. Oh, oops, I can't show it. So anyway, the search button is on my keyboard for me. So using a mobile phone, that's this tutorial. I'll search. When I search, it will start bringing, these are all the templates. Okay, so like I have said before, but if you don't know, this is it. Anyone you see with a crown, let's show what the crown is. Anyone you see with this, it means you will pay. Okay, if you look at all these other ones, don't have it. Okay, all these other ones don't have it. Let me find another one with a crown. So meaning you can use anyone. This one too has a crown. This one has a crown. This other one also have a crown. This one too has a crown. So it means all these ones you can't use them except you pay, right? So let me design. You can use any of these things, any of these ones. Okay, so depending on the topic you want to use. So I don't want to start going back and forth, so you can just choose. Let me use this one. I'll design this particular stuff. Look at the things I'll be using. System don't spoil child. It takes time to go up, especially if you don't have data. When my network is actually very poor, so I'm coming. So you can see, right? So look at everything here. There's a font and the rest. So this has a watermark, so we'll have to replace it. Watermark, what I mean watermark, it has their sign. It has their sign. Look at the sign here. So we don't want that, because when we post it maybe on anywhere, they can tell us it has watermarks. So I'll change some of these things, like this. Now I'll change this because I don't want it. So I might just put maybe my name. Okay, so if you click on the word, look at, I've highlighted it. You can be able to change the color and the name. Okay, so you can see I'll just put Dr. Daps, because I don't want to really waste time. Okay, so for this guy here, I'll come to replace. See, I'll come here. I'm taking it very slow so you can follow. Replace, right? And I'll hit it up, and I'll just come to replace. Sorry, it's going to be taking much time. It's going to take much time, right? You can see the same choose from gallery, uploads, or photos. So we don't have let me try upload. We don't have still. So what I did was I went to my Google and I just searched a man holding a phone. So I want to get something similar to this, and I want to replace this background. So I'll replace now. It should be up. Sorry, It's not here yet. So what I did was I went to Google and searched a man holding a phone, and they gave me a lot of search results. I just downloaded what works for me. I click on this replace as shown before, and I choose this guy because I'm a black man. Of course, I would prefer to use this. So now the Canva logo is not there, and then because I know the background is yellow, so what I was looking for was something similar. Okay, so I can choose to move this. Okay, so to make more sense for me, okay, I can choose to take this to the back. I'll scroll through all this thing just to be sure. I'll choose the layer to overlap. Let's see. So I am trying to see what works best. Okay, the good thing is I will not use that because I'm teaching now and might confuse some of you here. So the good thing is you can remove this background, but then it costs you. You will need to use a premium, which I don't want to use a premium right now. So one way you can do it, you can use your what do you call, one way to do it, right? You can use your CapCut or InShot and remove your background. I think CapCut is also pro, so maybe this thing InShot will work. So you can just choose this and just do. So you see when you highlight the text, it comes here. So I will just say how to edit. So I'll just leave it like this. So what I'll do is, you see this comes here, so I'll extend it so that it will come here, and then this is what you will do. You come here to font. Font is the size font will give you size, right? Because most of you are asking, that's why I'm doing this. So you reduce the fonts. Okay, so when you reduce the fonts now, the size of the writing will reduce. So for fonts, that's what font basically means. So you can edit is spelled with one T, right? Edit. I don't want this font. I want the other font that was here. Yeah, the other font that was here. So this is using on mobile. So I want to look for the font that they use, so I don't use a different font. Heading was what they use here. The font they use, let me see. Okay, this is it, agent start. So let me see if it's the same thing here. Okay, maybe because we reduced the fonts, that's why we're not getting what we needed. But sorry, I'm doing this gradually. If I was doing it alone, it would have been better. I'll put a space here so it looks more. How to edit on mobile with Canva. So this should be it, and what I'll do is I'll highlight it, I'll reduce the font again. So the reason is for this to rhyme. Okay, so this thing I'm pulling here helps it extend. You can use it to extend, right? These stuffs here, these things here, these points you are seeing, you can use it to extend to any direction you want. So just take note. So yeah, that is it. Okay, so I can choose to bring it down a bit so it looks more visible. So I might be using this guy more of in most of my tutorials right now. So I can choose to make this background a bit more yellowish. So this is where you change color. You just scroll through, right? Under here you scroll through, so you choose color. This color is yellow, so I can just come here and click on the yellow color, and then if I scroll, it will give me the yellow I want. So let's choose this yellow. Okay, this is a brighter yellow, but because I want, okay, so that it will rhyme. Okay, that it will rhyme. So to make design is very easy, right? You have to use colors that rhymes. Now if you notice, throughout this whole color is only yellow and white. The guy is white. That's why I told you I have to look for what resonates with me. And even for this, I can choose to make the font size a bit bigger. Okay, see, now it's a bit bigger, and yeah, it makes more sense now. So that is it. See how to add text is the same thing we just did. You can edit the text itself, or you click on this place to add your text, and then your text color. Let's take, for example, I choose the word, I just use this heading, you know, and I said goodbye, right? You can see the goodbye now, right? Going to the font that I was telling you, this is the font they gave me, but I don't want to use this font style. This is the Canva, this is the Canva one that comes with Canva most times, so that's the mostly default one. I choose this is the one that we were using, and then I can choose the font size. You can see, just look at what I'm clicking here, font size. Okay, to change the styles was here, the fonts. I'll come to fonts, the head styles. I'll choose whether I want it big, which is okay, single heading. I can choose this one. See, it looks bigger, right? If you choose the lower one, it looks smaller. If you choose the upper one, it looks bigger. And then I can choose color. You can choose color here. So if I want it to be yellow, now it's automatically on black. You can see it on black here. You can see it on black, right? Color, you can see it on black. So okay, so let's choose white. See it looking like this one. So let's say, because I'm showing you guys, see it the same wherever, goodbye, red. So this is how to choose color for those of you that don't know how to choose color. And I think these are basic things on Canva, right? These are basic things on Canva. So this upload is to upload pictures most times. Okay, upload pictures. So that is how we got some of these pictures here. So that being said, this is how to use Canva to make your designs. So you can highlight it. When you highlight it, these points I told you guys here is to expand, right? Is to expand to any direction. The two arrows, if you want to expand it going upward, the middle one is to carry it straight like that. Goes the same way for the other side. So yeah, this is just a short videos. It can help you learn how to use Canva in all. Hope you got some values, and that is it for now.